All right, this is a test. I'm going to see just how well the GoPro works as I drive down the road, and I also have my DIY headset in, the voice. Starting the car, engine is running. We're going to get gasoline at Buc-ee's. That's what we're doing. All right. I had the GoPro, I had the 360, Insta360 the other day, and it was catching a lot of vibrations in the car. If you see off to the left, that's Huntsville. Limestone County and Madison is to the right. Right, the road is clear to the left. There's something coming down the right. At one point there was nothing here, then the Chevron station came, I don't know, 10 years ago, maybe 15. Maybe 16, 18. You're going to see a Fire Pro over to the right. You're going to see also, just before we get to the Fire Pro, a place that it's apartments now, but they tried to have a cantina restaurant in there and other things, but there's not quite the population yet for all that. There was a Valentino's in there, but Valentino's moved closer to the you'll see it on the way back, closer to the Chevron. I decided that Monday's going to be the fuel day. Monday's when I get back. Right, let's see. Right now the DIY is working fine. I have now I'm slow. Oh, I left the holder for the DIY. It comes with two microphones, wireless microphones, to see if this is going to continue to work, even if I'm basically way far away from the holder of the adapters for the mics and the receiver, and it appears to be working wonderful. Fine. 5x5, as I think they say. This beat up road, this is Madison. Coming up on Athens here with the new road. You can see how it's all beat up. Hopefully it's stable. The big thing is we're testing out the stability. Gonna make a left up here where that car is making a right. think it's 4 miles to Buc-ee's now, which is not where I used to get fuel, but it's cheap. Plus, if I decide I want to eat, I can get some food there. Okay, big semi coming to the left. So, looks like a Freightliner. Buc-ee's is over on the left. You can probably see the buildings. You'll see a light up here. We're going to turn left at the light. There we are. Oh man. Oh well, I didn't get here in time to make a left-hand turn. But now you can go left on a flashing yellow in the state of Alabama. And that is what I'm going to do. And being a veteran of the Buc-ee's world, it is a Monday, which means that it's not as crowded, because on the weekends all the traveling people come by. Let's take a look and see if we can find any electric cars. Searching for electric cars. Oop, I think I see a truck. Let's see, we're gonna go look right now for electric vehicles. Here off to the left is where they charge them. And you can see a bunch of Tesla stations right there. You see the Teslas. And you come here and you see the Cybertruck that a bunch of people tend to want to destroy for some silly reason. There's someone in there sitting and charging, which is something I can't, well, I shouldn't say I can't quite handle. Evidently, it's a style. If you wish to have electric charge, it's entirely up to you. I tend to like the old stuff. This is a 2004 Honda I'm in, and it only has to go another 25 years or so for me. Right, I'm going to stop recording. All right, it's now, I don't know the time, to be honest with you. I just saw it though. But I have filled up my tank. It's 9:46 and I'm driving around. And you can see the vehicle right there, that Tesla. Nice truck. I think they're about 100 grand. But he's sitting there, still charging. Oh, here's a nice little car coming up. Go ahead, car, you can stop. You go ahead. It's a nice coupe Lexus of some sort. That looks like a nice vehicle. I like that. Now we're heading back. Ooh, here's some bumps. So check that out, Dave. See how all that looks on the vibration scale. So I got 207 miles on just about half a tank of gas. So this will go 400 miles or so. And I can make a left-hand turn. I'm going to do that. Right-hand turn, sorry. The other left. Go get in the left-hand lane. Yeah, this whole road is new. It goes over in towards parts of Huntsville, which is really Limestone County, and it goes to a Polaris plant, which is a few years old. They built a new Toyota plant, which is not, that's just a couple years old. Toyota and Mazda, I believe. And I hear that BMW is going to be building something in Alabama. I don't know exactly where, but Alabama is growing. Unfortunately, I'm just going to have to learn to love all these people that keep coming in. I'm glad they do, I guess. It's good for the economy. It's good for the house prices, and of course the taxes go up. And living on a fixed income, it's hard. Airplane in the sky. Get a lush lawn. All right, we're going to be making a left where that car is right, making a right. When I first moved in here, this road was not here, the one we're currently on. And you couldn't get to the exit where Buc-ee's is at because it wasn't an exit. We're on this road for about a mile, make a left. We just passed Valentino's.